Hi, good morning. This is Chester, your AAA Life Planner. So for today's video, we are still here in my AIA account. So I'll be explaining to you kung papaano naman in checking on on the details of your policy, no? So ano ba yung mga pwede nyong gawin in terms of checking your policy? So right now, let me try checking on one of my policy. So you can just click view details. So for this one, you can see actually the policy number here, face amount, and then the status. And then here, merong apat na we have the coverage, riders, fund, and manage policy. So on the coverage part, you can check the status if merong kayong niloan. Although this one is not loanable since this is VUL plan. So usually you can only loan for plans like traditional plans, no? So but this one, hindi siya pwede. So we also have the financial value. So it's more of like the accumulated dividend. Although this one, wala rin siyang dividend earnings since this is a VUL plan. And we also have the insured name, and then the details of your beneficiary, and then the financial advisor. So the details of your financial advisor, then the payment history. You can actually check the payment history here. Let's try checking it. So makikita nyo dyan yung binayad nyo. And then you can filter it out from the last payment date na gusto nyo lang i-check. Ayan. So going back there. So you can also actually pay here. So make a payment, no? Yan. And view e-policy. So with AIA right now, we don't actually give a hard copy na since we are already in the digital age. And actually it's more of like the environment something policy. So it's more of like that. That's good since nakakatipid na tayo sa paper and all of that. So nakakatulong din tayo sa nature. So you can actually, but if you still want to like a hard copy, no, you can view the e-policy and then you can just print it, or probably you can ask your financial advisor to do that for you. So bibigay nyo lang tong file and then they can just simply send it over to you, no? Medyo matagal lang to, but you can actually check it here. Ayan. Matagal siya. Yan, if ever you don't kumbaga, if nagka-problem dito, no, hindi nyo makita yung e-policy nyo, you can actually ask the customer service for a copy. Yan. You can request it from them kung hindi siya possible dito. Right now, medyo matagal nga siya, but sige. Let's just go back again. So, that's it for the coverage. And then for the rider, so ito yung mga naka-attach na rider. Like for this one, there is a waiver of premium. So meaning if ever something happens to me, like probably total and permanent disability, so di ko na kailangan siyang bayaran pa yung the remaining payment period, no, since I have this benefit called waiver of premium. As much as possible, no, if you are a policyholder, check on these riders, no. yung coverage nyo, yung rider nyo, kung ano ba yung mga benefit na meron kayo. And you can ask your financial advisor to have a review, no? To have a review of all your policies if may mga ganito ka bang benefits or wala, so that if ever you need to file a claim, no, you know that you have that kind of benefit, no. So mahirap kasi if you think na meron pala pero wala. So that's yun yung mahirap, no. Yan. And then we also have the fund. So fund, it's since this one is a VUL, so you can actually check all the fund that you have here, no? So kung magkano na ba yung pera nyo dun sa policy nyo. Yan, you can actually check din yung kung madami kayong pinaglaanan na funds, no, nakaseparate kasi yan, nakaseparate yan per fund, no. Then makikita nyo lang yung total account value here, no, in combination ng mga funds na yon. So you can see the historical fund value here. Yan, from day to day actually, no. So we have 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, no. Yan, and yan, we also have investment tips. Yan, may mga tips pa tayo, no. So wish to invest in a different fund? Yes, if sa tingin nyo, yung fund nyo, it's not really performing well, no? It's, you can ask your financial advisor for what kind of fund naman yung magandang paglipatan, no? Yung inyong pera. Yan. So, you can have a fund switch and request change in fund allocation. Yan, want to change the way your future payments will be invested. So yan. I actually did this before. So, nakikita ko hindi masyadong maganda. So, I requested to have a fund switch, which is dito ko lang din ginawa, no? So yan. So on the last part would be the manage policy. So you can change contact information here, like your contact number, email address, mailing address, so that kumbaga if ever AIA needs to contact you, no, dun kayo i-contact sa recent or updated contact information nyo. So we also have update policy information. So ayan, we have the update my beneficiary information, correction in date of birth, change policy owner name. So this is good if you are changing beneficiaries, no? Yan, natanto nyo na iba pala, iba na pala dapat ang beneficiaries nyo. Yan, so kung may mali man sa date of birth, you can change that and change policy owner as well, no? Ayan. So the next one would be, yan, manage policy investment. Ito rin yung katulad kanina, no? But if you want to, like this one, we have the change fund allocation, yan. So you can do that, or fund switch, yan, changing the funds, existing funds to another fund or a new funds, no? And if you also need your money, no, pwede kayo mag-partially or fully withdraw yung, but then if fully withdrawn yan, ang tendency is mata-terminate na. That's the thing about PUL. So as much as possible, partially withdraw lang so that meron pa rin kayong insurance, no? And going back, so we also have make policy request, no? So like the auto charge enrollment, no? So pwede rin to, no? Like ayaw nyo nang magbayad like kumbaga aasikasuhin nyo pa yung payment every time na may due date. So you can actually have an auto charge enrollment using your credit or debit card. And then we also have apply for a loan, no? Yan. So if you need to apply for a loan, yan, pwede din. But yun, depende rin sa plans nyo yan kung loanable ba siya. Change dividend option. So if may dividend option siya, so kung gusto nyo ba siyang kunin or ilagay lang, set aside, no? And then change non-forfeiture option. So hindi siya ano dito. Yan. So change payment schedule. So if possible dun sa plan nyo, kunyari you're paying annually and then gusto nyo lang palitan like semi-annual, pwede yon. Yan. So if it's in gray, like this one, hindi siya clickable. So it means na itong plan na ito, it's not, hindi siya applicable. No? Yan. So reactivate a lapse policy. So hindi naman siya lapse, so no need. Request for extended grace period. So yan, if gusto nyo pa i-extend, wala kayong pambayad, no? Pwede naman yun. Yan, request for statement of account. So, pwede kayong mag-request dyan. So, ayun. So, yun lang naman ang nilalaman netong policy details, no? If you have any other question, you may chat me or message me, or as much as possible, contact your financial advisor as well in order to assist you thoroughly with your policy or your plan. Thank you for watching. Bye.